Hey all, this is John with Hamlin Overlanders. A few years ago when we bought our Taco, I wanted to put a topper on it and then close it so when we went camping or we were doing something, we had nice, secure, dry storage for our gear. Along with that, I decided that I wanted to build a drawer system in here with a slide-out top so we could get to the stuff in the front very easily, and it's worked out great. I'm going to take it apart now because I'm going over to the lumber yard to buy some mulch for the yard, and I'll show you how easy it comes apart, and then when I get done how it goes back together, and a few other modifications that I made on the topper on the truck to support our rooftop tent. So come along with me and I'll just show you how easy it is to do. So the first thing to do is just pull out our drawers here. I've got these stainless steel sliders that go on top so you can put your stove on them or do meal preparation. They're very easy to get. They're just actually pans for baking that would fit on the side of your counter. And I went over to my local heating and cooling guy and had him use his brake to bend one edge up. And these things just fit right on top and slide right in. You can take them off. You can use them on your tailgate for meal preparation. You can use them as a windbreak for your stove if you want to do it that way. So those have worked out very handy. So we just pull out the drawers here, stick them over here. Another nice thing is in the center, I created this space right here. Goes all the way back in a full 5 feet. It's great to put your shotguns in or put any long items you might have in there, umbrellas, poles, whatever you want to do, fishing rods type stuff in their cases. You can lock it all up because you can lock the tailgate, so this is all secure underneath there. We then have our slide out top, which doesn't have any mechanical rails or anything. It's all based upon wood coming over. I'll show you a close-up when we put it back together, but top is great because it just slides out. You can get to any of your camping stuff or anything you have up here very easily. You just pull this thing out and it's going to come down. And even my 72-year-old self can do it. Now on the back here, I just went over to the lumber yard and bought some plastic strips and screwed them on there, which is how it all slides up and down. Just use a little candle wax to keep that sliding. So you can see this just stands up, and I've got a piece of carpet in here that I don't have tacked down, so I can take it in and out, but I just put this up, move it over against the wall. There's that carpet. Now I've got the main body. That's the heaviest part, but it also just slides out. Let it slide down the tailgate. Oh, got a carpet in there, I didn't realize. Pull that up. And just work it over to lean it up, or it'll stay up by itself. It's about as simple as that. I've also got a piece of just, I guess it's interior paneling, a piece of it. And that just allows this all to slide a little easier on it. Can all stow away against the wall, and it's just that easy to take that whole system out of the truck. All right, so it's another day. I've gone to the lumber yard. I got all my mulch and my other gardening supplies, and I'm ready to put my my drawers and my slider back into the truck, and I'll show you how this goes. And it's a little tougher than taking it out because I've got to get the slider in the grooves, but I can still do it by myself if I persevere. So here we go. One of the best features of this system is the ability to adapt it to any size truck bed or SUV rear compartment. Make the drawers any width or height to organize your equipment. Put the drawers in, they'll help me line up into the grooves for the slider into the top. I'll show you a quick pic of that, how that's built. This little L-shaped deal I built that the plywood slides in right here onto either side. From the lumber yard, and I just screwed them on to the back of the 3/4 inch plywood. And to make sure that it's easy to slide, even with a lot of weight on this, of water, propane tanks, camping gear and everything else, you just take a candle wax, and you just go up and down these things every once in a while when you take it out. You can see I've just put a piece of indoor-outdoor carpet on here. I've got these eyelets that I can attach bungee strips to, bungee cords to hold things down if I need to. I've got handles to pull it in and out. It's got a lip all the way around so things don't come off. And this is the tricky part. Slides right in and out, holds on. Easy to get to the stuff in the front. Makes your whole life a whole lot easier. Slides right in, stays in there because the tailgate is right up to the back of this. Now, one of the reasons why I like this system, and I'll kind of show you how it fits into the bed of the truck. Pretty much level with the wheel wells down there on the end, on either side. But I have this space between the edge of the shelves or drawers and the outside of the whole carcass of the thing that I can now put stuff into. And because this top is not totally airtight, I can put my Rotopex gas can right in there. I can put water cans in there. I can put our ladders for our rooftop tent right down the side. I can put stuff even further up. If I want to put a board across there from the wheel well to the edge of the outside of the frame, I can do that. I have a bungee cord so I can bungee all that stuff in. Just makes it really easy and really convertible for the whole back of your truck. And it's been great for our camping. The drawers slide in and out easy. There's enough room. They hold our camping stove, tools, shoes, anything you want in there. And of course the deal in the middle where You can slide in your hunter shotguns, fishing rod cases, shovels, carpet, whatever, hiking poles in there. So makes it very convenient and flexible system for handling that. I also put a strip in there that covers the distance from the tailgate to the truck bed to keep dust from coming into the back when you're driving on the gravel and dirt roads. The other thing I did is I told you that I had the indoor-outdoor carpet. You can see from the pictures, I Velcroed indoor-outdoor carpet onto the tailgate, so it's a nice place to sit, easy to stand on, replaceable if you ever need it. Just overall good system, and it works for me, and I hope that's informational for you guys and helps you out with maybe if you're looking to do something like this. If you need some instructions or material list, just put it in the comments, and I can add something to the video on that. But this is John from Ambling Overlanders. Thanks for watching, and keep having a wonderful life.